Unlock a new income stream by turning your TikTok passion into profit with a TikTok Shop affiliate account. First, open your TikTok app and tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of your screen. On your profile page, find and tap the 3 horizontal lines at the top right. This will open up the side menu. In the side menu, select Settings and Privacy. Within Settings and Privacy, we need to go to the Account section. Here, you'll see an option to switch to business account. Tap on this to proceed. Now, you'll be asked to choose a category for affiliate marketing. Select Creator or a relevant category that best describes your content. Once you've switched, you'll need to go back to the main Settings and Privacy menu. This time, look for the TikTok Shop option, which should now be visible. Tap on it. Here, you'll find different options. Tap on Creator to begin the affiliate account setup. You'll likely see some terms and conditions. Read through them, and then tap on the Apply Now button. You'll now need to fill out the application form. This typically includes your contact information, a brief description of your content, and links to your social media profiles. Submit your application, and that's it. Your TikTok Shop affiliate account request is now being reviewed. Once approved, you'll be able to browse products, create affiliate links, and start earning commissions.